Hello all, cocomarTech here, and in this video we are going to compare the Samsung S21 FE versus the Samsung A52s 5G. So if you're new to my channel, consider giving this video a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified for more tech videos. So, wag na natin patagalin pa, and welcome to one episode of
TT with cocomarTech.
So let's start with the design. So if you're going to compare the Samsung A52s 5G and yung S21 FE 5G, medyo similar siya, of course, with some differences. So yung S21 FE, inspired siya the design ng flagship nila, which is the S21. While comparing yung A52s 5G, inspired siya sa A52 lineup nila. So hindi naman sobrang laking difference, pero in terms of aesthetics, well, obviously, very subjective yun, so bahala ka na kung ano yung mas gusto mo. Mas maganda tignan, of course, yung S21 FE 5G. Pero hindi naman masyadong malayo yung difference niya if you compare them aesthetically. Compare natin yung dimensions nila. So, yung S21 FE, meron siyang 6.13 by 2.93 by 0.31 inches as compared sa A52s 5G na meron 6.3 by 2.96 by 0.33 inches. So medyo mas makapal ng konti yung A52s and mas mabigat siya ng konti kasi meron siyang 189 grams as compared sa S21 FE na meron 177 grams. Hindi siya masyadong noticeable. And then comparing the durability ng glasses ng kanilang screen display, yung S21 FE 5G meron siyang Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And sa A52s, meron lang siyang Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So obviously, mas durable yung mas mahal na Victus compared sa Corning Gorilla Glass 5 ng A52s 5G. Parehong plastic yung likod nila. So, in terms of sa SIM card connectivity, pareho silang may dual nano SIM card na hybrid. So, you can either put 2 nano SIM cards or SIM card na nano plus memory card. So, let's compare yung screen displays ng dalawa. For the S21 FE, meron siyang dynamic AMOLED screen as compared sa A52s 5G na merong Super AMOLED. Parehong merong 120Hz of refresh rate. Yung S21 FE meron siyang HDR10+, 6.4 inches screen display para sa S21 FE 5G, 1080 by 2400 pixels, 411 pixels per inch, and 85.3% screen to body ratio as compared sa A52s 5G na meron 6.5 inches, 84.9 screen to body ratio, 1080 by 2400 pixels, and 405 pixel density or pixels per inch. So basically, halos pareho lang yung quality ng screen display, mas malaki lang ng konti yung sa A52s 5G. As for the OS, Samsung S21 FE 5G is running Android 12 out of the box as compared sa A52s 5G na merong Android 11, pero pwede mo rin naman i-upgrade or i-update to Android 12. For the processor for the S21 FE 5G, meron siyang Snapdragon 888 as compared sa A52s 5G na merong Snapdragon 778G 5G. In terms of raw power talaga nung Snapdragon 888, higit na mas mabilis talaga siya. Pero hindi naman kasi lahat kailangan nung ganung kabilis na phone. So it really depends on the user. For the GPU, the Samsung S21 FE meron siyang Adreno 660 and Adreno 642 for the A52s 5G. Ang advantage naman ng A52s 5G is meron siyang memory card slot, pero yung S21 FE wala. You also have 6 or 8 GB of RAM for the S21 FE 5G and 4, 6, or 8 for the A52s 5G depending on your location. For the internal storage, meron namang either 128 or 256 for the Samsung FE 5G or 128 or 256 din for the A52s 5G. Now, yung very interesting comparison ng dalawang phones is yung camera layout nila. Well, the camera system. So, yung S21 FE 5G, meron siyang 3 lenses as compared sa 4 ng A52s 5G. So, for the S21 FE 5G, meron siyang main lens na 12 megapixels f1.8 with 1.8 microns with OIS for the main lens. Meron din siyang 8 megapixels f2.4 telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 12 megapixels f2.2 with 123 degrees field of view for the ultra-wide lens. So ano naman yung sa A52s 5G? For the main lens, meron siyang 64 megapixels f1.8 with 0.8 microns with OIS, and ultra-wide lens na 12 megapixels f2.2 with 1.12 microns. Yung dalawang lenses ng A52s is meron siyang 5 megapixels na macro lens and 5 megapixels depth sensor, pero hindi naman masyadong lahat gumagamit nun. So, ang interesting thing about this is mas malaki yung pixel count ng A52s 5G. Again, hindi porke mas mataas yung pixel count is mas maganda na yung quality. Kasi kung titignan mo dito yung microns niya, sa S21 FE meron siyang 1.8 microns and 0.8 lang for the A52s 5G. If you're not familiar, yung microns is kung gaano kalaki yung opening ng lens. So, mas maraming ilaw na pumapasok pag mas malaki yung microns. In theory, kapag mas malaki yung microns, mas maganda siya sa low light. And ang advantage of course ng S21 FE 5G is you can take 4K videos up to 60 frames per second as compared sa A52s 5G na 4K 30 frames per second lang. If you're a kind of person na mahilig talaga mag-videos, mga kids nila, or maybe nag-vlog ka or something, or if you're using it for work, may advantage talaga yung 60 frames per second kasi pwede mo i-slow down yung video. So pwede ka magkaroon ng video na slow-mo na 4K pa rin. Pero kung hindi mo masyadong kailangan yon, 4K 30 frames per second is enough. So for the selfie camera, actually pareho lang specifications sila. Meron silang 32 megapixels f2.2. Another advantage naman ng A52s 5G is meron siyang 3.5mm headphone jack port at wala yung S21 FE. So kung very important sa yon, siguro mas kunin mo na lang A52s 5G. So for the battery, pareho lang silang merong 4,500 mAh. But based on sa ibang testings na nakikita ko, mas tumatagal yung battery ng A52s 5G. Pero hindi naman sobrang laki ng difference. So yung S21 FE 5G, meron siyang white, graphite, lavender, and olive. As compared sa A52, meron siyang black, white, purple, and mint. So, basing sa specifications ng phone, ano yung sa tingin nyo mas sulit? Of course, if you're going to compare specs by specs, siyempre, mas maganda talaga yung S21 FE 5G kasi mas mahal siya. Yung presyo kasi ng S21 FE, kung bibili kayo online, nasa around 30,000 to 35,000 pesos or 39,000 pesos para sa mga retail stores. As compared sa A52s 5G, kung bumili kayo online, nasa 17,000 to 20,000 pesos lang and 23,000 pesos for retail stores. So, halos doble yung difference niya. So, para sa akin, mas sulit talaga yung A52s 5G. So, that's it for this video. We just compare the specifications of the phone. So, what are your thoughts about this? Comment down kung gamit nyo yung either phone na yon, what are your thoughts? Ano yung experiences nyo? Kung may bala kayong bilhin, isa sa dito, ano yung mas pipiliin nyo? So, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Sobrang hirap gawin ng video na to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep safe, guys.